Hey everyone, I guess if you are searching for free hosting service with free subdomain and SSL, then definitely you are at the right place. I have already tried hundreds of hosting services like HostGator, ByteHost, Hostinger, GoDaddy, etc. But this one turned out to be a must needed for those who are beginners and lack financial support. My name is Yogesh Chaudhary and you are watching an educational portal Cosmic Delta. Let's get started. Move on to your desired browser and search cloudaccess.net. This is the provider that will give us free subdomain, free hosting with an XSL certificate. There are two options over here, either login or sign up. I do have an account with it, but I'm going to sign up for the new one. Here you'll get a drop down menu showing login into your account. Here you have to click sign up here. If this drop down doesn't occur, you can just click on CCP login and click here sign up here. It will open the registration form for you. Here you have to enter first name, last name, country, state, religion, zip code, email address, city, company name and phone number. Over here select India. And enter your number. In case you don't work with a developer, you don't have to fill this area. In company name you can write your name as well. Then you have to click on the CAPTCHA. I have read and agreed to the terms of service and data privacy handling policy and then register. I already registered with my new email address. So I am going to take you to the dashboard. This is the dashboard of my new website. Here I am going to host my another website with the email address cosmicdelta.01@gmail.com. Just remember that you have to select an email address that you can use with your website for sending or receiving emails. Now you can see on choose your active product, there is no result found or any active product available. So we need to add a product over here with a subdomain or simply a website. In that case, you just have to go again to cloudaccess.net. Here we are on the home screen of cloudaccess.net. Under the title Build Your Website Today, you get a blank area with a subdomain in front of it. Just tap in your website's name that you want to host. For example, if I give ABC and launch it for free. As soon as you click on the button, launch it for free, you'll get a CMS. It's a builder that will give you access with your website admin panel. You can either use WordPress or Joomla. I'll go with WordPress. Here are four options available. Either you can create a free subdomain, user an existing domain can be used, register a new domain, or transfer existing domain. So we are here for a free subdomain. You can type in your website's name and select either of these. So let me go with cloudaccess.host. The important thing is when you like to present your website on other platforms, for example on Instagram, if you would like to add your website to your bio, then using freesite.host will occur as a spammed website and Instagram won't let you to add it. So just use cloudaccess.host or any other one. Let's go to the next step. Here, you don't have to do anything, or you can just give out brief description of your website or what you intend to build. For example, we are building a personal website. And the next step, no matter what you input over here, the customer support will never reach out until you buy their hosting. It will take time depending on the service of cloud access. Just check out over here. Check your name. There are three options for payment. First is pre-order, credit card and PayPal. Credit card or PayPal can be used when you are buying a domain over and over again. But we are here for a free subdomain. So it's a free order and we need not to put any confidential information over here. Just agree to the terms of service and privacy and check CAPTCHA. Now just click on complete order. Let me post it over here. Just you can see that the order is complete and our website is now hosted. Go to your cloud control panel by clicking on this link. Here you can see that we are having a website abc.cloudaccess.host mentioned over here. There are three options available: renew, upgrade or terminate. On terminating, your website will be out of the servers and you will not be able to retrieve it. On upgrade, that means we are using a free WordPress site. On upgrading, we buy the hosting, and with all this, we get some other tools as well, like customer support, email, etc. And a review, there is a con over here that this website needs to be renewed every 30 days. For example, if I use it today, then tomorrow I can renew it, or I can wait for another 29 days to renew it. But if you don't renew it, it will go in a passive state. That is, it will not be able to be indexed over Google sites. That is, it will become inactive. Right now it is active. So choose your active product. Here you can see that we got a website name. There are different tools that can be used to create or do work over your website. The first one is application, login to WordPress, overview, toolkit. The replicate is only unlockable after you buy the hosting. Manage backups, database. The log symbol specifies that you cannot use them unless you upgrade your website. Domain name, by domain, server, file explorer, security, and product billing. So we are going to look it in our WordPress. So I'm going to log into WordPress using this link. The thing is that Cloud Access automatically enables a plugin in your website, or that allows you to log in with just one click. It will show you a privacy error, but don't worry, it is the first time, so it will show this. Proceed to your website. And you land up over your dashboard. The thing is, you might be asking that where's the SSL certificate, and it's showing not secure. The SSL certificate has been enabled, but it will take some time to properly load. It might take hours or a day, and not more than that. Let me show you another website that I have created using Cloud Access with fully enabled SSL certificate. This is the website that I created using cloudaccess.host. Here, HTTP has been enabled and the connection is secure. It is valid certificate. This is one of the few websites that I have created. It's basically a social networking website. I'll even show you how to create websites in our next video. And if you want to check that your website is live, just copy it or visit your website. The servers of Cloud Access are a little bit tiresome. They take much time than other servers. Still, there's some benefits and cons, who knows. This is the website that we just hosted. You can modify it in your dashboard. So this is all for our website creation with free subdomain and hosting. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and like and press the bell icon for our next update.